Hey friends, it is me, Stace. Today we're using the Cricut along with some heat transfer vinyl to apply it to a garden flag. So I'm already inside a Cricut design space on the welcome screen. I'm going to go to the upper right hand corner and click on New Project. The left hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on Shapes and a Square. And I'm going to resize this square to be the same size as my garden flag is. So I have it selected. The very top toolbar, I'm going to unlock the lock. And I'm going to change the width, make that be 11 inches. And the height is going to be 16. I'm going to minimize design space so I can see the entire piece and move it over here. I'm also going to change the color of this and make it be white. All right, so we have our template size. Let's go ahead and grab our design. Left hand side toolbar again, we're going to click on Images. In the search box, I'm going to type in the word fall and then click on Enter. I was in design space earlier looking for design and I came across this really cute fall one that I think is perfect for living in Florida or anywhere in the South. So I'm going to scroll down until I see that one. You can see there's lots of really cute ones in here. So I'm going to keep on scrolling until I find the one I'm looking for, which is right there. I'm going to click on that one and choose Add to Canvas. And this one says fall in the South is just summer with pumpkins. That is really cute. I'm going to click on the image and change the color of that to be orange. Now all I want to do now is just resize it to fit inside my template. So I'm going to bring it to the upper left hand corner, use the arrows to make it be a little bit larger. I want to go a little bit smaller. I don't want to go that wide. And then kind of center it. I think that's the perfect size. All right, so we can delete our template. We no longer need that. Upper right hand corner, click on Make It. I am using my Venture today to do it, but you can simply do this on your Cricut Maker. I'm going to choose any material and 24 by 20 inch mat, and I will choose Confirm. Now we can see it's all gibberish, so we want to make sure it all stays together. So I'm going to choose Cancel, go back to our design area, highlight everything, right click on that, and then choose Attach. This keeps everything in its place. All right, again, upper right hand corner, choose Make It. Any material, the larger mat, choose Confirm. All right, so we have our design there. Now we're using heat transfer vinyl or iron-on. It's very important that you mirror or flip the image. You can do that right here on the left-hand side. I'm going to go down and choose Mirror. Just make sure everything is flipped. And now we're going to choose, I'm going to move it over a little bit, and then choose Continue. And give it a second to find my machine. And I have my heat press heating up to be 305 degrees. All right, we are just going to use, I'm not using the Smart Iron-On, so I'm just going to pick Everyday Iron-On, so I'm going to choose that one. All right, it tells me what to do. I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. I'll take you guys over to the Venture so you can see it cutting out the vinyl. I'm then going to weed it. Then we'll take it to our heat press and apply it to our garden flag. So I'll see you guys at the machine. All right, here we are at the machine. It is blinking, so I'm going to go ahead and choose Go. And it's going to basically measure our vinyl. And it's going to choose the play button, and it's going to cut it out for us. I'm not going to fast forward this, so I'll put a timestamp in the video, but this should be super quick. And I want to mention really quickly, whenever you're using heat transfer vinyl, you want to mirror the image on your mat. You want to have the glossy side or the shiny side face down. Okay, it is finished. I'm gonna unload my mat, weed it out, then I'll meet you guys at the table. All right, here we are at the heat press. It's already preheated to 305. And what I first want to do is get the moisture out of my garden flag. So I'm going to lay that on there and just press it for about 5 seconds or so. Okay, that should be good. All right, now we have our design. I'm going to move this over here and just get it lined up. Try to make sure it's on there straight. Okay, so I think right there looks pretty good. I'm going to place it in there. I'm going to put our Teflon sheet on top of that. And we're going to press this for 15 seconds. Okay, let's see how we did. Yeah, it's coming off really nice. Okay, now that I have that done, I want to press it again. I'll put my Teflon back on top. And just for maybe another 5 seconds, just to kind of set that vinyl in there. And I am using an Oracal 651 heat transfer vinyl, so it's a premium outdoor vinyl. All right, I think we're good. Take that off, and then we have our garden flag. What do you think? I think it's really, really cute. All right, I'm going to go ahead and put it on the garden thingy, and I'll take you on in the front garden. We'll see it outside. So I'll see you there. All right, we're back. That's what it looks like outside. Of course, now the wind picks up and I'm filming it. But super cute, right? Very easy. All right, my friends, that's it. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.